Kevin, look who I met here today. Naftali, most of you guys know him. I recognize you from thousands of Yiddish weddings that you did in the past.
Correct.
And you used to work for a very famous company.
Yes, I did.
And now, let me hear it. You went on your own?
I'm on my own doing
Great.
all types of simchas, bar mitzvahs, all types of photographic events.
Wow. So, for years you worked in a company and you did how many weddings, you say?
I can't count, but thousands.
Thousands of weddings. From all different extremes, from ultra Yiddish.
Correct. Ultra Hasidish to ultra modern to everything.
Satmar,
Bobov, Gera, Stolen.
So you know everything.
I know almost everything.
You've been around the corner, wow. And now you went on your own and you opened your own company. That's
correct.
Great, kol hakavod. Now I remember I saw you at one of my siblings' weddings and I loved the efficiency and the chick-chack.
Correct.
You know that nobody is interested, I mean, we all love to have the pictures afterwards, but b'shas ma'aseh, at the actual wedding,
right.
We want it to be as quick as possible. That's something you have your expertise in.
Yes, I'm very efficient. I get the job done correctly. I don't miss any combinations or groupings of family or even parts of the chasana, the chuppah, the bedeking, the chasenstish. Everything is captured professionally and adequately.
That's it. So let me just being a photographer for so many years in the Heimish circles. Let me hear if you have any cute stories to share. Any?
There's plenty of stories. There's so many I don't even know where to begin with some. But most of the ones I remember is when the parents come over to me and tell me that Naftali, you made the simcha.
Wow, you did. Because it's a photographer that can make it or can break it. If you have that wrong photographer,
I hear a lot of those. I hear a lot of those stories. I'm sorry for those people's experience, but that's not the experience you would get with me. So just the other day, I had a wedding upstairs in Ulam Heitner. Heitner Hall, yes. Beautiful place, beautiful wedding, flowers, everything, decor, and this was the mazinik of the family.
So you got the words, you got the language, the mazinik.
I know a bit Yiddish. So it was the youngest child of the family. They've done several other chasanas, and the mother came over to me and said, I've done all these other chasanas, and this was my best experience with the photographer and his crew ever.
Wow. Listen, I've seen you also by weddings, and I could attest to that.
Thank you.
Like I said before, the efficiency that you have, the chick-chack,
right,
quick. And you always do it with a crack, with a smile on your face. You crack a joke.
Correct.
And you make sure everybody's light and there's no tensity in the room. It's just, it's such a pleasure working with you. You ever done Rebbish?
Yes, I have done Rebbish, several. I can't say a lot, but I've done a few. But I do all types of Hasidish, from ultra Hasidish to modern Hasidish, black hat, no hat.
No hat, keep us sugar, everything.
Shreimel, Spardik, the works.
Unbelievable. Kol hakavod. I say it's such a beautiful line that you're in, that you'll be able to be by chasanas.
Yes, I like happy events because I'm a positive guy.
It's amazing.
Positive man, and I like to make people happy. And I show them the pictures, and they tell me stunning, amazing. This is the best I've ever seen.
So you do pictures and videos, or just pictures?
I personally only take pictures, but I have professional video crews that work with me. I also have lady photographers and lady videographers that all can cover all aspects of the Jewish world's needs. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so there's people that say I do photo and video, that meaning they personally do it. That I don't recommend that because you're not going to get a good result out of either one.
You say, if somebody does too many stuff, run the other way.
Yeah, I would look otherwise. I would not stick with that one.
Amazing. Naftali, what is your phone number and what's the name of your new company?
My new company is called Studio18. It's like Studio Chai. 18 is my personal number, my birthday.
Oh, wow.
And my phone number is 718-344-4626.
All right, we're going to put the phone number on the screen. We always do a Perlowitz promotion whenever we do any videos.
Right.
What are you going to give for my followers a promotion if they booked you?
Oh, if they book and they tell me it's coming from Perlowitz, I will give them, if they need the lady photographer, included.
Included on the house, the lady photographer.
Lady photographer for dancing.
For dancing. Wow. So if they book from now, let's make a date, okay? From now, let's say
till June.
Till June?
Yes, till June.
If you book from now to June, you get a free lady photographer on the house.
Correct.
Call Naftali, The number's on the screen. Book him. Chevra, I test it. I've seen him at weddings. The most amazing, fun photographer you can have. Fun, but you don't push.
No, not
There's some photographers that push you to do certain stuff, certain photos, certain poses. You don't push. Whatever the couples.
I don't push because people they have to be comfortable.
That's it.
So if they
whatever
tell
the
me
couple's
no,
comfortable.
I work around it and make it happen anyway.
Amazing. Simcha Tov and Mazel Tov. Simchas by everybody. Thank you so much, Naftali.
Thank you for having me.